All right, y'all, so here's the room when you come in. All right, so we got an interior cabin, some a little different this time. So to the left, we have the switches here. And here to the left is the bathroom. So let's just go ahead and you got the toilet, got tissue, we got some towels. Okay, here's the, hello, there she go. Go. Got a little sink here, got some soap. I really don't like these. I bring my own soap from Bath and Body Works because I like the pump. But it is what it is. You got plenty of levels to store different things, your toiletries or whatever. You can also hang it up. I bring a little hanging toiletry case that I get from Victoria's Secret. And here's the shower. Okay. All right, here's the bottom. Okay, let's see what we got. We got shampoo and we got shower gel. So, got a little rust here. A little rusty. Don't look, did they clean that out? Don't look like it, does it? Somebody's soap was on there and doesn't look like they cleaned that. Okay, so I will mention that. All right. All right, so down here, looks like we have tissue, more tissues, toilet paper, excuse me. And then we have a trash and tissues here. So that is the bathroom. They have a little something to hold on to when you take care of your business that we're gonna come out here. All right, let's see what we got. Our closets. Okay, we got our life jackets at the top. Have your closet. You got your hangers to hang your dresses. Okay. Got your shelves here. Okay, let me turn this off because they interfering with my business. Let's turn that off. All right. Like I said, you got your closets. Make sure you take note of your life vest. Plenty of space. And then in here, we have a fridge, which I don't have anything that I need to put in there. A little table here, another mirror. Okay, here is the room. So you have water, which I definitely need. 2 little cups. All right, so let's take a look. So, oh, look at this. Celebration key. It says a memento for you. Thanks for joining us on the inaugural sailing to Celebration Key. Enjoy this pin commemorating a special visit to our exclusive place. So I got 2 pins. How cute is that? So Celebration Key, know before you go what to bring. Did I bring a beach towel? I think I forgot my beach towel, y'all. I normally bring my own, but anyway. All right, so Celebration Key, know before you go what to bring. A towel from your stateroom, selling sign card, credit card, cash, island map, and your sunscreen. Where to eat. So one complimentary meal per person. The Island Eats menu, Captain's Galley. They got food trucks and snacks. And then you get 25% off one entree at a full service restaurant with your sale and sign card. So cool. All right, so here is the agenda for today, which I'll take a look at. It's not in the app as of yet, but I definitely want to do obviously the Sail Away party. And then if they have an information course about Celebration Key, definitely want to go to that. So they have Celebration Key, Grand Bahama, your tour to paradise. So, oh my goodness. All of the details. It has a map here, so I'll be taking this with me. It has the attractions. It tells you what the shopping is, transportation, and accessibility. It has the lagoon, Starfish Lagoon, Calypso Lagoon. This place is huge. Lots of information here, you guys. Tells you where all the dining is, the activities and rentals, the bars, Pearl Cove Beach Club. It's an adult-only beach, which I'm going to try to see. My excursion, I think, is in Starfish Lagoon, but I'm going to try to see if I can do the beach club because I know a lot of you are headed that way. But lots of information. I'll take a look at that later. And, of course, they give you, your good to know information and your daily schedule. Telephone. Oh, look how clean it is. Normally these telephones be looking like they're from the dinosaur ages. This, oh yeah, they just cleaned it out. You can smell it. It's really, smells like cleaning product. And another mirror. Another mirror. All right, see, we got drawers here. Blow dryer. Hopefully I don't need that. All right, we got a security guide, and if you want to get cleaning done. And then 2 empty ones. You have a little seat. You have your 2 towels, your beach towels, so don't forget those. And then a trash can. All right, so we got up here, we have 2 plugs, which is great. And over onto this side, we have plugs here. We have a lamp up. You have a little nightstand that you can open and put something in, which I don't, because I don't want to leave anything. And then on this side, we have another nightstand, storage, bed, nice and clean. Old carpet, old. Nice room. I think this is my first interior cabin on Carnival ever. It's not my first interior on a cruise, but definitely on Carnival. All right, so that is my room tour here on the Carnival Conquest, my first interior cabin on Carnival. Super excited to be headed to Celebration Key. And make sure you check out all of my other videos because they are coming. And I will see you on my next nonstop adventure. Bye.